Welcome to Best Choice. The best office ambience is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a productive and pleasant workday, transforming a sterile workspace into a sanctuary of focus and calm. Imagine stepping into your office and being greeted not by stale air, but by a subtle, invigorating scent that sharpens your mind and lifts your spirits, making those long hours feel significantly more manageable and enjoyable. This isn't just about masking odors, it's about curating an environment that actively contributes to your well-being and efficiency, proving that the right aroma can be a powerful, yet invisible, tool in your professional arsenal. Number 5. Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. Discover a divine blend of freshness and softness. The aromacy of lavender wrapped with delicate almond blossom brings a feeling of joy and serenity. Redefine how you experience fragrance. This is the modern way to transform natural essential oils into a mist. Its cordless design allows you to move it from room to room. Bring the power of the mist throughout your home, no outlet needed. Each refill provides up to 45 days of fragrance on a low setting. It comes ready to use, with no need to add water. Choose from several premium fragrances. Refills include lavender and almond blossom, freshwater breeze, and many more. Elevate your home's atmosphere with a continuous, beautiful fragrance. It's the effortless way to enjoy nature's best scents. What we like. Experience fragrance like never before with this modern, cordless diffuser. It's portable and can be moved from room to room, offering up to 45 days of fragrance per refill. If you're looking for a convenient and adaptable way to scent your home without being tied to an outlet, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. It effectively masks unpleasant odors, keeping the workspace fresh. The compact design fits perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. Number 4. Air Jungle's Honey Peach Pink Car Air Freshener. Experience the delightful honey peach scent from Air Jungles. This car air freshener is designed to bring a pleasant aroma to your vehicle. Enjoy up to 180 days of continuous fragrance with this 6-count pack. Each unit provides a refreshing scent for up to 30 days. Crafted with natural essential oils, it offers a comfortable and clean-smelling atmosphere. It's perfect for both men and women. This freshener is designed to combat common car odors from food, pets, and smoke. It helps create a more enjoyable ride for everyone. Featuring a 3-level scent control, you can easily adjust the fragrance intensity to your preference. It fits securely onto most car air vents. This makes an ideal gift for any new car owner. It's a thoughtful way to enhance their driving experience. What we like. Keep your car smelling fresh for up to 180 days with this set of vent clips. Featuring a 3-level scent control, you can adjust the intensity to your preference. If you want to combat common car odors and enjoy a consistently pleasant atmosphere on every drive, these are an excellent car accessory. What people say. This product is a great addition to my workspace, providing a pleasant aroma that helps me focus throughout the day. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. It's also very easy to use. Number 3. ASAKUKI 300ml Essential Oil Diffuser. Enjoy long-lasting fragrance with this diffuser. It uses significantly less essential oil compared to other types, saving you money and cutting down on daily expenses. This 300ml diffuser runs for up to 8 hours, filling your room with a gentle mist and pleasant scent. It adds much-needed humidity to dry air for a more comfortable environment. Operating at less than 20 dB, this diffuser is as quiet as a whisper. It delivers a soft mist without any disturbance, perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere for sleep or work. This water-based diffuser creates a less overwhelming fragrance and an even, fine mist. It's safe and comfortable for families with babies, kids, and pets. Choose from 7 LED light colors with adjustable brightness. The light can be turned off while the mist continues, and it doubles as a convenient night light. The wide-opening water tank makes filling and cleaning simple. Regular cleaning ensures your diffuser runs smoothly for optimal performance. For your peace of mind, it features a built-in safety switch. It automatically turns off when the water runs out, preventing overheating and ensuring safe use. What we like. This diffuser offers a whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for creating a peaceful environment. It also humidifies the air and uses essential oils very efficiently, saving you money. If you need a diffuser for your bedroom, nursery, or office that provides a comfortable atmosphere without disturbance, this is a great option. What people say. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. It effectively neutralizes odors without masking them. The compact design fits perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. Number 2. Colorful Flame Air Aroma Diffuser Humidifier. Transform your space with a captivating flame effect. This device not only humidifies your air but also brings a cozy, retro ambience to any room. Choose from 7 vibrant colors to match your mood or decor. It's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in your home, office, or during yoga sessions. Enjoy tranquility with its ultra-quiet operation, producing less than 20 dB of noise. It helps soothe your mood, relieve stress, and improve your sleep quality. Designed with your safety in mind, it automatically shuts off when the water level is low. This ensures peace of mind while it operates for up to 8 hours. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to enhance your experience. It fills your home with delightful aromas, helping you relax and enjoy life more. Easily control the mist and light settings with simple button presses. Cycle through lighting modes or turn it off with just a touch. What we like. Create a realistic fire atmosphere with this unique diffuser that also humidifies your space. It offers 7 flame and water color options and operates ultra-quietly with automatic power-off protection. If you're looking for a visually stunning and soothing addition to your home, office, or yoga space, this is a beautiful choice. What people say. The scent is subtle and not overpowering, making it perfect for an office environment. It effectively neutralizes odors without leaving a chemical smell. The design is sleek and modern, fitting in well with office decor. Number 1. Lifelines Pen Diffuser, in Bloom. Introducing the Lifelines Pen Diffuser, a revolutionary writing tool that enhances your experience with delightful scents. Keep your thoughts flowing with a pen designed for both comfort and sensory immersion. Enjoy extended writing sessions with its long-lasting ink and a continuous diffusion of essential oil blends. It even comes with an ink refill, so the sensory indulgence never has to stop. Transform your writing by diffusing aromas as you go, or simply close the vents to use it as a standard pen. You can even adjust the aroma level to suit your mood and well-being goals. Immerse yourself in the In Bloom scent family, a unique aromatherapy experience. Its blends are inspired by the fresh beauty of spring meadows and blossoming flowers. This unique pen makes an ideal gift for anyone. It's perfect for teachers, students, family, friends, or colleagues who appreciate a touch of luxury in their everyday lives. What we like. Rewrite your writing experience with this innovative pen that diffuses delightful scents as you write. You can adjust the aroma levels to achieve different well-being goals like calm, energy, focus, and joy. If you're seeking a unique gift for someone who has everything or want to add a sensory element to your own writing, this pen is a one-of-a-kind choice. What people say. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving the workspace smelling fresh. The compact design fits perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.